Hey guys, it's JD. Just kind of want to do a impromptu right now and everything kind of go raw, fresh, uncut, unedited. Just want to let you guys know that, hey, you know something? There's a lot of people that are doing a lot of different things. Let me move this out of the way a little bit. I'm trying something a little different, a little new here, so I'm not sure how this. Ooh, the shirt's all open. Everything, don't want that to happen. Gotta look good on camera some kind of way. And the shirt just keeps opening, you fat boy. Anyway, so this is me unedited, and just want to talk to you guys about getting your financial future in order. Things tend to happen. I was employed by a really cool job that I had. I worked there for the past 20 plus years, making a lot of money, making six figures from the job. All of a sudden, I'm fired from the job. It is a harsh reality, and for some people that are not prepared, that can be somewhat of a dampener on your lifestyle. So the thing is, you have to be totally prepared, no matter how much time you put in, no matter what type of exemplary employee that you may be. You might be the one that goes near your first to show up, the last to leave. But remember, you can be replaced. I never thought of myself as irreplaceable, but I did think of myself as part of the team, because that team became family. I miss my brothers and sisters that when we worked together, we had a fun time. Of course, every job's going to have their haters. Every job's going to have someone that doesn't get along with anybody. Guys, in this day and age, it goes beyond race this and lifestyle that. It's not even with that. It's just some people. I'm sorry. Like I said, I'm not going to change that. Some people will have a different outlook on that. So I want to make sure that you guys understand that no matter what the circumstances are going to be, it is up to you to change who you are and to take the necessary steps to prepare for the upcoming events that are going to be happening in your life. So don't get stranded. Take the time, seek out things, and for heaven's sakes, make sure that you keep your credit line going correctly. You want to make sure that you maintain a sense of good credit. You want to maintain a sense of residual income. You want to make sure that these things are in place, because that's essentially what you're going to have to live off of. Once you become unemployed, or that one job that you thought you were making strides with and everything, never put all your eggs in one basket. That's what you don't want to do. You don't want to sit there and do something like that. It is not the way to do things. It's not the way to plan things out in life. It's just not the way to go. So it is not the way things work in life. Things like that tend to sneak up on you, and you want to make sure that you have a plan just in case something like that goes awry. You want to make sure that you have a contingency plan for when the crap hits the fan. The crap is going to hit the fan at any time. You can get sick. Even if you were a machine, machines wear out, machines break down. But these sort of things tend to, this sucks right here. Sorry guys. Like I said, this is going to be raw and uncut. So all goes. We'll have all the fancy stuff later on for fancy videos, but I just want to come to you straight and let you guys know that these things tend to happen. We want to make sure that you understand and have a plan ready to go. Even when I got fired, it sucked, because I'm like, okay, now what do I do for income? What am I going to do? I need to retrain myself, because I put in so many different years, or so many years of training for that particular job. You went up there, you got all this training, 20 plus years, you knew this job inside and out. Of course you're going to know this job inside and out. And then you were ready for subtle changes that came about with new laws, regulations, and just over a period of time, things tend to change and stuff like that, so you keep yourself updated. Now picture yourself without that, without your nest egg, without your guaranteed, and you feel like, oh my gosh, I'm not secure. But I was smart. When I was working there, I wanted to make sure that I took care of myself and had a nest egg saved. I had something that was going for me just in case. It was what we used to call a rainy day fund, but you never know when the rainy day is going to come. So we always said growing up in our old neighborhoods, if you stay ready, you ain't got to get ready. So the thing is, always stay ready, because you never know what's going to happen. It's not sitting there be fearful of stuff, but it has to have you on point and ready for when these things tend to happen, because you never know. It's like driving right here. If you don't have a good automobile club that if you happen to have a flat tire or something, then you're left stranded and you're left here. Or if you don't know how to change the tire yourself, or in the case of some of these newer vehicles, they don't come with spares, so you're left at your own will. Then what's going to happen? It's like if I'm glad this day and age for Uber and things like that, so you can get around. Oops, this is my stop. Make sure I'm coming off at the right exit. Yeah. And guys, I just want you guys to be totally prepared and not be blindsided by, I better just slow down just a little bit and let this girl go ahead of me, and then I'll get back here this way. Is she gonna take the inner one, outer one? Okay, cool. So many different choices that you need to do. That's a red light. That is a red light. We're not supposed to be changing on red. She's crazy. Okay, that was a red light. I wish we had a GoPro to check that out. I'm gonna let her get the ticket, not me. So the thing is, what we have to offer is an ability to regain yourself. We don't want you to fall apart. We don't want you to fall down and cry, or don't know that there is, oh my God, there's no hope, I don't know what to do. No, there's always hope. We want to let you guys know that you're not alone. You're not the only one. Don't think you're that special. Yeah, someone found you special to fire you and let you go, but you're not alone. You get what I mean? So it's like, okay, it sucks. Yeah, get over that. You're an adult. You're in America. You're in this day and age. We have computers. You learn to work smartly, just like our smartphones. You learn to work smarter, not harder. Because at some point, you are going to be an older person. You might be young and be able to do all this other stuff, but at some point, you're going to get older, and you don't really want to be doing all of those menial tasks like that. You want to work smarter and start having a good return on your investment and have this money work for you. So, you know, this is what we're looking for. So with that said, I was able to come across an opportunity that allowed me, what the hell? That allowed me to work from home, work from my smartphone, and excuse me, I have no idea what they're doing. Sorry, having to watch the traffic. That allows me to work from my smartphone, and I'm doing this hands-free, so I'm not holding the phone, people. So you can't watch it, rich girl. So you have to be able to work at your own time, at your own pace, and you're able to generate a weekly income. You do the things that I'm doing right now. I'm helping people. I'm basically telling the story right here. I'm just telling you a story, but what you do is you can make videos like the one I'm doing here, like instructional type videos, to let people know what's going on with this particular opportunity. Those people turn into leads. Those leads generate sales, and those sales become your weekly income. And with that going, that weekly income helps pay your bills. And once you start paying your bills off, you're left with X amount of dollars. And that is a start. That is just the start of your residual income. We show you how to put that money into play, and we show you how to do smart investing. Sorry, that's my little marker. Show you how to do smart investing to where you're not left alone, to where things will work out for you. For more information on this, I want you to follow me on my page, like the video. Please share this video with someone that is in need. I'm going to make some more tonight. I'm going to have fun. This is just my trial one. And comment, "I want in," and let me know, and I will provide a link for you. Okay? Message me back to let me know that you want in. I only want serious people. I don't want you to waste my time. I definitely don't want to waste your time, and I don't want tire kickers. So I want some people that are wanting to make a big change in their life. You're going to hear this repeatedly throughout numerous of my videos. So thank you guys for watching. I'm JD, and I'll see you on the next one.